Hey guys, David the Infoman here, and welcome to the Iron Triangle review. Now, inside of this review of the Iron Triangle, I'm going to go ahead and show you inside of the members area. I'm going to show you the bonuses that the vendor has for you. I'm going to go ahead and show you all the pricing details. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you the custom bonuses that I made specifically for the Iron Triangle, so that if you're interested in those bonuses, all you have to do is click the link down below this video inside the description, and it'll take you to my bonus page and you can purchase the Iron Triangle from there. So now let's start out with talking about what is the Iron Triangle. So the Iron Triangle is a coaching course that teaches you how to make money through lead generation for local businesses. So what you're going to be doing essentially is you're going to be taking local business clients and you're going to be getting them leads through various means of like social media, through running ads on Google, through Bing ads, and different ways like that. And all of that's going to be covered inside of the course. So you're going to learn all those methods for getting clients, getting leads, and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead now and jump inside of the Iron Triangle and talk about everything that there is to know. So right now I'm on the sales page of the Iron Triangle, and as you can see, they're not offering very many spots for this particular course because it is so in-depth and detailed. They don't want that many people inside of this course. So the headline says, how I bank $2,500, $5,000, and even $15,000 without an email list and without any tech skills. So he's just introducing to you what is lead generation for local businesses. He has a bunch of proof here. These are real checks from local businesses that pay him to generate leads for their business. And inside of the Iron Triangle is going to teach you all of this kind of stuff. He talks about here about shiny object syndrome and a bunch of different gurus who try to sell you on different products and different methods that don't actually work, and why local lead gen is the way to go. So all of that good stuff is on the sales page. Come over here and read it on your own time if you're interested in checking out the Iron Triangle. Right now I want to go ahead and talk about the bonuses, and then we're going to go and check out the members area of the Iron Triangle. So here is my bonus page. You get there through just clicking on the link in the description of this video, and I have a bunch of information about the Iron Triangle. And if you scroll down, you'll see the custom bonuses that I have created for you. Now feel free to go check out what other bonuses other people, other affiliates are offering, and come back here when you realize that these are custom bonuses, that you're not going to find these anywhere else because I've created them myself. So bonus number one, I'm going to teach you how to rank any video on YouTube. And why this is important is because one of the services you may want to offer local businesses is ranking local business videos for them inside of YouTube, or running YouTube ads to get them leads onto their email list. So I'm going to teach you how to rank videos through SEO in this custom video tutorial. Now, bonus number two is my advanced YouTube hack system. And this is going to show you how to basically take this secret system that I use to rank all my videos inside of YouTube, and I'm going to break it down step by step and show you how to use that specific strategy. Bonus number three are a local services list. So I'm going to show you a bunch of different services that you could offer your local clients. Now, not all of these services are going to be talked about inside of the Iron Triangle. That's why I really wanted to expand this service list and give you a bunch of different things that you could offer them and upsell them and make more money off of those clients. So I'm going to give you all those details inside of bonus number three. Bonus number four, I'm going to teach you how to use Instagram. So if you want to build up an Instagram account for a local client and then have them pay you every single month to just build up an organic Instagram account, I'm going to show you how to do that with my Instagram hacks video training right there. Now, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee for the Iron Triangle, so if you don't like it, go ahead and test it out and see whether or not you are interested in the local lead gen business model. A lot of people make money from local lead generation, and if it's your thing, go ahead and check it out. So now let's go ahead and jump into the members area of the Iron Triangle. So it looks like this. This is the members area of the Iron Triangle, and you have a ton of different videos. So first it starts off with an introduction. Brian gives his personal story. Then he goes in and gives you the case studies and all the information that you're going to need. Then he starts talking about advertising and traffic. And he goes through Facebook traffic, and then he goes through how to organize your business, everything that you need to basically be a successful lead generation specialist. Teaches you how to use autoresponders. He teaches you how to use PLR. He teaches you how to outsource and all of that, even to hire content writers, and everything is covered inside of this members area. Now, one thing I should note is there are no upsells with the Iron Triangle. So there's no funnel. It's just the front end. And the price is $147, and it gets you all of that training because it's a higher price because it is advanced training. It is step-by-step. It's the full blueprint. So it gives you everything that you need to succeed, and there's nothing held back, and that's why it's more expensive, but there are no upsells, so you are saving money in the long run. They also give you this outsourcing report as a bonus, and this is going to teach you how to outsource your entire business. So this is everything that's covered in it. So it ends up being a total of 35 different pages, and that teaches you how to outsource your entire business so that you don't have to do any of the work. So if you are interested at all in my bonuses for the Iron Triangle or this lead generation method at all, go ahead and click on the link down below this video inside the description, and it will take you to the bonus page. And then if you click on any of those green buttons right there, it'll take you to the sales page, which we went over earlier. So I'm David the Info Man. I hope that you've enjoyed my review of the Iron Triangle. I will see you next time.